I'm Alix.
I'm Rie.
And you know us, we love food! So today we're gonna challenge ourselves to try to make a dish from the Cheesecake Factory.
But instead of taking our time, we are going to order DoorDash and try to be our delivery person.
Hi, I'm Donald Moore, the Chief Culinary Officer of the Cheesecake Factory. And while Alix and Rie are making one of our most popular salads, I'm gonna show you how we focus on fresh quality ingredients, great technique in all of our restaurants to make our food before it's delivered to you from DoorDash. The almond crusted salmon salad really exemplifies the modern food of Cheesecake Factory. Kale, fish, and health and wellness are in, but it's still indulgent and rich enough to be satisfied. There's 20 or 30 ingredients that we're very particular about that play a role in making sure the salad's delicious.
All right, so I'm gonna order on DoorDash, Cheesecake Factory. Oh, easy peasy. All right, DoorDash will be here in time for dinner, so we have enough time to make something quick and easy. Let's check out the recipe. All right, almond crusted salmon salad.
A lot of ingredients.
Oh my gosh. I did not know this much work went into it.
Look, Alex, aggressively massaging to incorporate 12 times.
12 times, very specific.
Not 13 times.
Cheesecake Factory does not mess around.
Yeah.
Okay, we should get going.
Let's go.
All right, what do we need?
I remember kale.
Brussels sprouts and avocado.
There are so many.
Almonds,
Okay,
shallots.
I'm gonna start cutting stuff.
So since we only have 1 hour today, I start cutting corners. Like I didn't make a lemon vinaigrette, so I just like pour olive oil and lemon juice. And also we have to make 2 dressings in a 1 salad. Who does that?
We make all of our dressings in-house in all of our restaurants every single day. And the lemon dressing is we squeeze fresh lemon juice, and then we add a little salt and pepper, a turbinado sugar, extra virgin olive oil from California. In a lot of our salads, we'll add 2 dressings. So for example, in this salad, we also use a shallot vinaigrette. So shallot vinaigrette is shallots and fresh garlic that we blanch and chop in our restaurants multiple times a day. Seasoned rice vinegar, and olive oil, and you get this really well-balanced dressing, which are quite complicated to make.
Almond crust and a garlic dip. Is that for the salmon?
Do we have to make a garlic dip? Do we have time for that?
No. Chopped by hand. Wow, they really chop their almonds by hand at the Cheesecake Factory? I didn't know.
So for the almond crust for the salmon, which is very, very critical, we take almonds that we toast and then we chop them. And then we have these herbs that we take, which are basil, thyme, sage, and parsley, and some green onions. And we chop those up with a really sharp knife so they're intact, they're not bruised, you can still taste the freshness. We grate a couple of types of Parmesan cheese, some Romano cheese that's done fresh every day, add a little lemon zest, and that crust is all mixed up and then baked on top of the salmons after it's perfectly seared.
This recipe like a novel.
A little salt, a little pepper. This is taking a long time to heat up.
I think we can make garlic dip. Why
I don't understand what this garlic dip is for.
So we make a garlic aioli or a garlic dip it's a little sort of hidden treat in between the salmon and the almond crust with lemon, fresh herbs, a little bit of mustard. So you get the richness of the garlic dip, and it adds this really delicious sweet garlic flavor, and we make it every day in our restaurant.
Wait, were we supposed to put the almond crust on before the oven? Did we forget that? Okay, we got 5 minutes until the Dasher is here.
All right.
We were kind of rushing at this point, so we actually made a mistake in not putting the almond crust on the salmon. So we had to go grab it and put the garlic sauce and the almond crust on that and then pop that back into the oven to finish baking. How much time do we got? Not that much time left.
No.
Seems like it. Wow, you're really going for it. Go big or go home.
Instruction.
Place them around. Oh my gosh, it's here.
Yay.
I'll go grab it. Hi. Here's your food. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, DoorDash is here.
Yay.
All right, I'm gonna go plate this.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God.
Look at
great
that.
plating.
A little more bang for your buck with this one.
I know.
We still did pretty well, I would say,
We
though.
did a good job, even though we cut corners.
Looks similar. And also the crust is a little bit more coated. Should we try ours first?
Yes.
Cheers. Mmm. Try this one?
Oh.
It's more fresh.
And it has a subtle sweetness.
It had the shallot and the lemon, huh? I'd I'd say we did all right. But I'm gonna go with this one. Me
too.
Well, if you want to try this dish and many others available at the Cheesecake Factory, go head over to the DoorDash app and get something delicious delivered to you today. Try out the salad. It's good.
Yeah, I want to finish it.
You're gonna finish the whole thing?
I'm hungry.
I'm gonna need to help you.